Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your TikTok video link to a TikTok video that you want to post. So hit the record button. I'm just going to record a few seconds. And then I am going to press next. And as you can see, there is a videos option over here, and you're just going to select that. And you're just going to choose a video or add a video link to description. For instance, I want to add this one. I'm just going to press on this video and I'm just going to press next. And then if I post it, it'll link to the video that I have already posted on TikTok. So I'm just going to press post to show you what's going to happen. Let's go to my profile now. Go to the video I've just posted. And as you can see, there is this button. And if I click on it, if I click on this button over here, my own name, it'll go to the video that I have linked on that previous video. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!